Meaning of daughter.
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 Daughter. A daughter is a female offspring or child of a parent or parents. She is typically biologically related to her mother and father, although she may also be adopted. Daughters hold a special place in families and are often considered to be the caregivers and nurturers. They are also seen as an extension of their parents and carry on family traditions and legacies. The relationship between a parent and a daughter can have a profound impact on both individuals, shaping their values, beliefs, and experiences throughout their lives.